Okay, so to get started with sales pipelines and opportunities within your account, once you've logged into your account and you've landed here on your dashboard, go ahead and click on Opportunities tab here on the left-hand sidebar. This is now going to open up our Opportunities tab and show our very first pipeline if you have one created. If you have not created a pipeline yet, this will show as blank. However, we recommend that you create a pipeline before you progress further in this video, because a lot of these settings will not appear on your account until you have a pipeline created. If you'd like to learn how to create a sales pipeline within your account, please go ahead and view the Creating a Sales Pipeline video within this account setup tutorial, and then go ahead and come back to this video and we can pick up where we left off. So here we can see that we can manage our sales pipeline within our account. So we have all the different deal stages within this pipeline, and we have the different deals within the pipeline itself, as well as labeled into each deal stage. We can also change the view of each sales pipeline by clicking on either view here. If you click on the list, it'll show you a list view of all of our deals. And if you click on the icons, it'll show a Kanban view of all of your deals within your pipeline. To add an opportunity, you can click Add Opportunity, and this will allow you to manually add a custom opportunity within your sales pipeline, which you can begin tracking. To view a list of all of your pipelines, go ahead and click on Pipelines, and this will show you a list of all of the pipelines that you've created within your accounts. To add a pipeline, go ahead and click on Create New Pipeline, and then in here you'll be prompted to put in the pipeline name and then each of the stage names within that pipeline. Next, you can go ahead and view bulk actions within your pipeline. This is a activity log to start viewing a lot of the bulk automated actions that happen within the back end of your pipelines. If you haven't set up any automated features, this will usually just say no data and will stay no data for the entirety use of your account if you don't want to take advantage of automations. However, this can be useful if you want to track any automated features or automated actions which may have taken place after you've set it up, those automated features. And then finally, heading back to opportunities, we can now see how can we manage multiple pipelines within one account. So right now we see we have sales, which is one of our pipelines called sales, and it has these 3 deals inside of that with these deal stages assigned to this pipeline. However, let's say we have another pipeline that we're also managing at the same time. If we click on this drop down menu and select the other pipeline, we can now see that our pipeline changes. We have new deal stages and we have a new deal, which is all assigned under this pipeline. So this helps organize different deals and different deal stages, as well as different sales processes for multiple products, or however you want to set up your sales process within your accounts. And finally, one of the most useful features of deal stages and pipelines and opportunities in general is how you can view the analytics and the data on your dashboard. So as you saw at the beginning of this tutorial, we have multiple data points and multiple graphs of data on our dashboard at all times. Now, this is data that's pulling from our pipeline and showing it in different ways on our dashboard, allowing us to see a 50,000 foot view of our business every single time we log into our account. So here you can see things like opportunity value, conversion rates, opportunity status, and we can really see as to what deals are open right now, what deals are won, how much revenue is in the pipeline, and what our conversion rate looks like. Again, also that we can make informed, data-driven decisions to ultimately help your business grow as fast as it possibly can in the right direction. And so that is a quick overview of the opportunities and pipeline section within your account, arguably one of the most important sections within your account. If you have any questions whatsoever on pipelines, please feel free to reach out to our team and we'll be more than happy to help.